One of the worst mistakes many people make is they believe the person that's working on the phone at the other end. For example, one of the things that they tell you most of the time is, oh no, don't hire an attorney. They'll charge you money. They'll slow the process down. They'll mess you up. Trust me. And all the while, there's another lawyer in another office trying to cram this foreclosure down your throat as fast as they can, while you don't realize this mortgage loan modification process for many servicers is a joke. Why do I say that? Because servicers get money for the application. You might apply 5 times for a loan application. That loan servicer is getting 5 checks from the government to process your loan modification, and you think, well, my house is on hold. When in fact, if you read all the fine print in the paperwork they're sending you, they tell you, no, your foreclosure isn't slowing down, it's going forward at the same time. It's terribly embarrassing to have educated people go before a judge and say, but judge, I believed them. And they'd say, well, didn't you read the documentation that you were getting? Yes, but they were telling me I didn't need to be concerned about it. They speak out of both sides of their mouth, so you need to be very, very careful. And if it isn't in writing, it isn't being said. One of the biggest mistakes that you can do in a mortgage foreclosure situation is trust your lender. Your lender doesn't want you to get a lawyer because ultimately they want the property back. And why do I say they want the property back? Because many of these mortgages are insured by the government. And if they get the property back and they have a $100,000 loss from the sale of the property, they'll go to the government and say, here's my loss, you have to reimburse me. Then they're sitting on a house that if they hold on to it 6 months or a year, they can turn around and sell it for a profit. So the only one who's the big loser is you, because you believe the bank is your friend. They are not your friends.